Thirikari kugerera minista wa THOTHAITI guku bururi-ini Wycliffe Oparanya niyaniriire kurekereria kigina gia kuhura njeki mbeu njithi 70 o wodi guothe bururi-ini thutha wao kurikia kwamukira mathomo ma mwanya muthenya wa umuthi.
Over 600,000 qualified, but of course the first cohort can only accommodate 110. The others, we will give them a chance next year, and of course this program is going on for the next 3 years. And even the third year, if they are still in the system, they will be considered so long as they are in the age bracket.
Oparanya aritie ari thukuru-ini wa thekondarĩ wa ACKQ hindi ya icera riake gucemania na magana ma mbeu njithi kuma gicigo mbunge gia Kiambu aria makoretwo makiamukira mathomo ma biacara na utari kuma kuri ataramu.
The money will be available immediately after the training. As soon as we launch, this money will be available to them. I've said the first installment of 25,000, and thereafter they will go for induction. After induction, they will get the balance of 25,000. They will be attached to mentors, those people who have been involved in business for a long time, so to mentor them.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu nĩakinyĩrĩirie atĩ thirikari ĩkomba kũrekereria ciringi 25,000 o mũndũ, gũkũ akiuga ayuthi acio no megũthiĩ na mbere na kũheo mathomo makĩria nĩguo gũtherema.
We are involving county government. A startup bill will nurture these people from when they are starting until when they mature. And within that startup bill, there are provisions that now aligns county governments to make sure that these people are nurtured even at the county level, because they do businesses in the county. So if the counties are not friendly, then it becomes a problem.
Ginaikitie ritana kuri thirikari ciothe cia matura gwitikira kunyitanira na thirikari nene niguo guthondeka riera riega ria biacara. Guku akihithuria ati ta ministry ni mathondekete watho uria urakurikana ta startup bill giguithiraniria maria marahanika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinuthia.